Good morning, class 12. Welcome to your education online class. We are at the end of your session, and as you know that we have completed our syllabus as well. So I have thought of revising the most difficult part according to you people, the statistical part of education, as it requires a lot of practice and a lot of exercises. So I have thought of revising this right at the beginning. So see, use of statistics, you have understood that it is for gathering some or collecting some data and to get some information, some vivid and details information about something. And see, when the number is more, suppose I need to see 500 datas together. Now it is very difficult if we separately write 500 datas. So for that reason, sometimes we used to group them, and sometimes when the number is less, we used to minimize them. We used to write as a single score or raw score. Now after that, we have learned that what is tabulation, and for that grouping, suppose from 10 to 15, how many students are belonging, again 15 to 20, how many students are belonging, like that we have grouped. And for statistical, for understanding it better, to make the data brief and precise, we have used tabulation of data. Now measuring central tendency is another thing. It is to just to understand the nature of the scores which are provided. So it is not only confined within data collecting. Okay, any type of educational development, any type of educational loss or some achievement, everything can be measured with this type of data. Now measuring central tendency, there are three different types of way through which we can measure central tendency. The first and foremost one is mean. Mean means it is the mean, median and mode. There are three different ways of measuring central tendency: mean, median and mode. Sorry. Now you know arithmetic mean or mean is the easiest way of taking out the central tendency. Now arithmetic mean is the value which is indicating a data or a number which is which in another word we can say average. Now suppose there are three books of same category. Okay, one is of 15 rupees, another one is 20 rupees, and another one is 25 rupees. So if we need to take out the mean of this mean of the price of this three book, what we are going to do, the main thing is we have to add this together: 15 plus 20 plus 25, that is 60. Okay, so yes, so 60 rupees. Now what we have to do in case of mean, we have to see that how many books, how many numbers are there. That means n. So numbers are 3. So we have to divide it by 3. The answer is 20. So the average or mean of the price of this three book is 20. So if I write like this, mean is equal to summation x by n. So here n means mean, summation means sum total, n means number, and x means amount. Means what? See, 15, 20 and 25. Mean means mean. Here m, mean is equal to 15 plus 20 plus 3. Summation means you are adding all these digits, and finally divided by n means your total number is 3, so you are dividing it by number 3 and the result is 20. So even if in like this it is not provided, it can express like suppose there are some numbers. It will come for 1 or 2 marks, not more than that. Suppose it is given like this. Now, suppose if you go through your test paper, you will see these types of digits are provided and you are asked to take out the mean. Now, what you are going to do, the easiest process is mean is equal to summation x by n. Don't forget to write it. So, summation means addition or x means digit. So, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, first you have to add all this. 1 plus 5, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 7, 16 plus 6, 22 plus 2, 24 plus 1, 25 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 25 divided by 7. 25 divided by 7. You have to show the rough as well. So, 7 3s are 21. We all know 4 decimal and again 4 0. Now, okay, so 5 7s are 35. So, 5. So, the answer will be 3.05. So, this is the way you have to take out the mean if it is ungrouped data. If the single raw scores will be provided to you, you keep in mind that you have to add the numbers and you have to see how many digits are there. So, here it is 7. If it is 5, then you have to divide by 5. If it is 10, you have to divide by 10. You have to see, and first you have to add in case of mean, median and mode. 3 different other ways are there. So, that you have to keep in mind. But in case of mean, you have to add the numbers and you have to divide by the number of digits it is provided. See, we are adding it. It is coming 25 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, we are dividing it by 7. So, the answer is 3.05. So, this is the way of measuring central tendency. I think you have understood. Practice it in home. I think it will be very easy. Thank you.